We've been doing this for 2.5 years now, had many successful auctions. We do our auctions both online and live. At the Farm Expo, we'll see the fellow exhibitors, and we'll see a lot of folks we know in the agricultural industry, and check out some new equipment. There and meet the team. You're going to be able to pick up some brochures, learn more about our company, learn about recent sales and auction results per county that we've been in, and we'll have some goodies to give away.